Last month, Oppo introduces all new Reno series by launching three new smartphones: Oppo Reno, Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, Oppo Reno 5G. While these devices are launched in China and Europe, the company will be launching them in the Indian market on May 28. According to the latest reports, the company is getting ready to reveal an unaffordable Reno smartphone very soon in China. It was already listed in Tina, revealing the first look and the key specifications. While we expect it to call Reno Live, the company might officially launch it as Oppo Reno Z. It will be available in Star Purple, Extreme Night, Black, Coral Orange and Bead White color option. Coming to the price, base variant of Oppo Reno Z will be reportedly in 380 USD dollar and approximately at 26,500 rupees in Indian. On the design front, the rear of the device looks very similar to the Oppo Reno smartphone since there is no shark fin pop-off camera. The LED flash is placed next to the O-dot ceramic point. It comes with the same glossy finish body with no camera bump. On the front, Oppo Reno Z supports 6.4 inches AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution, 19:5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, it might come with powered by 12nm MediaTek Helio P90 octa-core processor. It is clocked at 2.2 GHz and comes with a couple with IMG Power VRGM 9446 GPU. As per the channel listing, the device will be coming in 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. There will be no micro SD card slot, further expanding the storage of the device. The camera department of Oppo Reno Z supports 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual camera setup at the rear and 32 megapixel selfie shooter at the front. The company might use 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor offered by the Oppo Reno smartphone. Other Reno smartphone, it run on Android 9 Pie out of the box, color OS 6.0, skin laid on the top. As seen on the other Reno smartphone, the Reno Lite also comes equipped and with an in-display fingerprint scanner. It is backed with the 3950 mAh non-removable battery support with a VOOC Charge 3.0 flash charge technology for 20-watt fast charging. Oppo Reno Z measures 157.3 into 749 into 9.1 mm. Weight is 186 gram. Connectivity options include 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm audio jack is included, and USB Type-C port. And the power button is placed on the right edge, and volume rocker can be seen on the left edge. Thank you and stay tuned to Suyesh Tech Tip.